Adobe Photoshop. Continuation from previous unit. Select the new file. So the background color, say already explained this one, say the background color. So I'm going to take this background color, white color. So file new, white color, contents white color, option button. So then okay. So now go to this file open. File open. From JPG files or BMP files or whatever. So now select this one. This one. So then after that, okay. So now rectangular marquee tools. Last unit. Rectangular marquee tools. So you select this one and click on here. A particular area you can select rectangular shapes. Rectangular shapes. So just I click on here, say this one, select it on this area. So then click the move tools. Click on that selected area. Drag and keep it on here, that new file. So likewise, deselect, select Ctrl plus D for the shortcut, deselect. So once again, so select the rectangular tools. So now select only this part. So then move tools, click on here, drag and keep it on here. So when you drag this, so the layers, the different layers, layer 1, layer 2. The layer names also you can change. So you click the right mouse and select the layer names. So the layer 1 and layer 2. So now select object method, the rectangular marquee tools. So likewise, next one, elliptical marquee tools. Elliptical marquee tools. So once again, I select the file, open. Select this one. So elliptical marquee tools. Say ellipse shapes. Selection for the ellipse shapes. So with these tools, hold down shift key. So you can select the circle. Select object, select a circle with the shift key for the elliptical marquee tools or otherwise elliptical shapes. So now select it on here. So then go to this move tools and drag from here. This one selections, rectangular marquee tools, elliptical marquee tools. So then Ctrl plus D for the deselect. Deselect, Ctrl plus D. So now select the, say now the another layer also created here, layer 3. So now no need this layer 2. So you click the right mouse and delete layer. So then delete layer, yes. You can delete the layer. So again, rectangular marquee tools, elliptical marquee tools. Oval shapes with the shift key, you can make it the selection for the circle. Say the next one, rectangular marquee tools. Later we'll come back to this. Other two selections are here, marquee tools. So now say here this one, lasso tools. Lasso tools. So now select the lasso tools. Say you can draw something, say irregular shapes. Irregular shapes. Say here likewise. Say irregular shapes. Particular area. Irregular shapes. Not regular shapes. Regular shapes, elliptical marquee tools, rectangular marquee tools. Say here this one, regular shapes, lasso tools. Say just I draw this one. Selected that regular shapes. Say then click on move tools, drag and keep it on here. Say the particular area, lasso tools. Say then Control plus D, D selection. So likewise say here this one. So the D select Control plus D. So then click on here. Polygonal lasso tools, polygon shapes, number of sides. Say here just number of sides. Correct? Say polygon shapes, polygonal lasso tools, polygon shapes, polygonal lasso tools. So this also click on here. So then track and keep it on here. Polygonal lasso tools. So this also created the layer 5, different layers. So now select this layer, right mouse, and layer 4. So this one, move to that blue color bar, move to the layer 4. So then click the right mouse, delete layer. So then yes. So likewise, so here this one. So you click the right mouse, layer 3. So click the right mouse, layer 1. So the blue color bar, move to the layer 1. So the right mouse, then click the delete layer. Yes. So this is select object methods. Select object methods. Control plus T, transform, pre-transform. So you can reduce the size. So you can rotate. Rotate. So then press enter. Control plus T, transform. The previous unit, we done this part. So likewise, Control plus D, deselection. So the deselect, select, deselect, then reselect. Already we are deselected, Control plus D used. So then reselect that particular portion, reselect. So you click on here, you can reselect that. Correct. So the select and reselect and deselect. right? So now deselected. So then reselect. So now once again say the deselect. So select all. Say select all. The whole area. Selected. Select all. Or Control plus A. Shortcut Control plus A. Control plus A. So then deselect Control plus B. Reselect Shift plus Control plus D. Shortcuts. So now select the all. Select all. Say now deselect this. So the select object methods, rectangular marquee tools, elliptical marquee tools, lasso tools, polygonal lasso tools. So then magnetic lasso tools. Magnetic lasso tools. Magnetic lasso tools. Same as magnet. So here this way, the edges automatically extracted. Sometime your selection wrong, so you can delete. Go back to the previous point. Correct. So here now click on here. So just I select like this way. This is also irregular shapes, but magnetic lasso tools. Magnetic lasso tools. So later also we'll come back to this. Right. So now deselect that. Control plus D. So first practice this up to this one. So another unit. You meet on another unit.